Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up on yourself, my viewers and subscribers. Anyone a day in the world, you don't know, so the attacking boss is here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. My people, today, this vlog I want me to do, my people. It's a sad one. It's a big one. And someone needs serious help, my people. You understand? The world needs to hear this. You understand? The president, the prime ministers, the lawyers, the top people them, because someone's life, you understand, is in danger. You understand, my people? May I ask you now, please listen carefully. While me have some recordings I go play, my people, I want you to listen carefully. Please pay keen attention, my people. See? This is referring to a female. She's a Jamaican citizen, my people, a Jamaican national, who went over there in the United States of America, you understand, to do a work thing, my people. And unfortunately, my people, something occurred. Something happened. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. And my viewers and my subscribers. Boy, it's not a good look. It's not a good look. With these recordings that I'm about to share with you, my people, you will hear she explaining everything to you all. And that is why I'm saying please pay keen attention. Because she desperately need help right now from anybody who is out there, right? Anyone has any information who can assist her in finding the right people who can help her get this thing fixed. Because number one, you ever hear about a thing with them that say, yo, doctor come like them and try experiment on people? Well, my people, this come like a similar situation. Imagine left a beautiful country, Jamaica, go over Uncle Samson and feel say, yo, you know me, things are go better, things are go greater, but it's a worse nightmare. Eh? So, she's a victim right now, my people, but this maybe can save you, save your family, save your friend, save the enemy, save anybody at all. Because now you know, say, certain things do exist. And we have to be really be careful. You know what I mean? Plenty of things are going out there in this world. So, my viewers and my subscribers, as I said, please listen carefully. I spoke to this lady. We talked for a long period of time. And it was a very sad and emotional one. When I do listen to her, my people, I want to cry. Mr. My viewers and subscribers, I want to cry, I want to bawl. Because it's really sad. Really and truly. People, we have to be careful out there. In this world, it's rough and it's tough. Remember, I'm going to leave information below in the description. Also, I'm going to pin it in the comment section. If you want to contact this lady, or if you know anyone who can help her in getting the necessary help to find the right people. Because honestly, them played somebody's life here. And justice is needed. My viewers and subscribers, I leave it up to you now to pay keen attention and listen to this one. But before I go, please remember to do like this video. Please share this video and do subscribe. Because when you do share this video, my people, that's how we spread the word. And that's how you will be a part and making this reach to the right people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Stay safe and do the right thing. Remember, follow me on all social media platforms, NEWLINK Production. And you can check below in the description. If you want to make a contribution to our channel, we also have a PayPal link where you can give a contribution. Peace out. Please join our membership. Please, you understand? Support the thing through Super Chat. You don't know. Peace out. Stay safe. Stay blessed. Please listen carefully. I'm out.
Yes, bro. Now, starting up this Wait, I have to say, thanks to the Most High God for keeping me thus far. For His mercy endured forever. Well, I'm sharing this experience that I'm going through at this point. You know, with the world right now. You know, and um, God, all things are possible. Just believe. Well, this is my experience at this point. You know, I'm thanking everyone for the prayers, that is going up for me at this point also. Yes, the advice, but yes. Well, this is how everything started. On September the 23rd, 2023, I felt sick, having little like discomfort, and I go to the Queen's General Hospital in New York. Upon my arrival, my vital was taken, my blood test was taken, and I was told that my blood count was low. A blood transfusion was required. Why then I took it. After getting the blood transfusion, a doctor came to me, stating that she wanted to give me a pill to stop my period for 3 months to build up my blood count. Okay? Anyhow, I went ahead and I took it. But after I took it, there was various questions she come asking me after, like my age, when was my last period, things like that, So it was kind of bugging me in a sense to know that I just got an injection in my body, and the doctor is gonna come and ask me this type of question that is all in front of her in my docket. Anyhow, I got home, it was just in my mind for a couple of days. On October the 29th, so 29:30, I started to spot. The injection that I got that day was the Depo-Provera shot. The Depo-Provera shot. That is the brand one I get. The brand name one of the Depo-Provera shot. That was the one I got. Anyhow, as I said now, on the 29th, I started to spot. So by me now started to spot now, I was told that was one of the side effects of the injection. All right. The spotting is getting a little more and more and more and more subtle. I called the hospital, which is the Queen's General Hospital, on several occasions. Unfortunately, yeah. I get through on one occasion where I was speaking to a nurse, telling her about my, experience, my symptoms. After I finished, the phone hung up in my ears. I said, get disconnected in my ears. I tried to call back. No answer. Remember, they got my phone number and they got my address. Anyhow, that was like the middle part of October, going like the third week or stuff. As I'm saying that the bleeding is getting, it's like from spotting from the beginning, so the bleeding is getting a little bit more heavier, more than normal. So on the 30th of November, I go to the Presbyterian Hospital. When I got there, that was minutes after 7 o'clock that evening I got there. My vital was taken. A gynecologist, he came and he examined me. On his examination, he said that he didn't feel any enlarged fibers. He see a little streak of blood coming from the cervix. I'm asking him what could stop the bleeding and stuff like that. He said to me that the bleeding should have stopped based on the Provera. But what he turned and he said to me was, before you got that injection, did they do an ultrasound to look for any changes in your belly? You understand me? Changes like of the fibers. He turned to me and he mentioned me doing a DNC. You understand me? Mentioned doing a DNC. He said he was going to talk to his supervisor and got back to me. Okay, all right. After a young gynecologist came in the room and she was, asking me like question, when was my last period, if I'm sexually active, basic question like that. Before the transfusion, because the transfusion was required for me to get, they gave me a pill. A pill was given unto me to take. Understand me? After I took that pill, was on the transfusion like over an hour, I started to feel like pain, cramps. Centimeter cramp like when you're gonna labor, me have experienced some. So I started to feel like pain. I tell us me start growing now. Me start growing like labor, me tell us the pain. And I could feel like the blood now start coming even excessively. They removed me from the emergency room and took me to a ward where there was no light, no activity, no one going back and forth. That was the ward I was on the 30th of November, that night going on to the 1st of December. No light whatsoever. I was down there. I have to say down because I could have never up. I was down there screaming out, crying out for help, calling out for doctor, calling out for nurse. Pain, me say pain a lick me. Pain a lick me like a baby me I got have. You understand me? Like a baby me I have and the blood just a gash. I could feel it like me a peep at myself. Anyhow, a nurse come in the room. When she come in the room, I tell her about the pill I get. I asked her she can give me something for the pain. She gave me 2 Tylenol. The reason why I know that she was a black nurse is just the tone of her voice. Understand me? I make myself clear. I turned to her and I said, nurse, please call the doctor. Please call the doctor. But be a pain me undergo. Yeah. Minutes after, or so after, I see 3 doctors enter the room. They were white doctors, and the reason why I know say white doctors before them turn on the light over my head, based on the tone of their voices. Understand me? So I was there telling them that I need what kind of pill them give to me, what caused me to feel pain all of a sudden. Question like that I was asking them, and the bleeding is coming so excessively. I was underneath pain. Talking to these doctors. At one point, the 3 of them move from beside me and them go over one corner part and them come back. I ask them, what is the name of the pill that they gave to me? 3 times I asked them before. One of them leaving the room turned and said, we gave you the Depo-Provera a pill form to stop the bleeding. At one point, one of them look, when him say my examine, him come onto the bed, me say to him, said, oh, you gotta examine me, turn on the light. You can't examine me in the dark. He switched the light on. The doctor switched the light on over my head. And when he look, the doctor said he not see nothing, no blood. The time he said, no blood, me lie down in, because I feel like me I peep at myself. You understand me? Me I remember these things that happened to me clearly. So, them sometimes give me nightmare. I'm telling you. Anyhow, as I'm saying, when they leave in the room, them tell me, so them give me a pill form of the Depo-Provera. Anyhow, when they leave, I was there all night, people, crying. Come and say the place dark, no light. The place was so dark, no light. I'm telling you, if WhatsApp can run but that call after 12 o'clock, would be like minutes after 1 o'clock, December 1st. If WhatsApp could have run back that call, that conversation that I was on a FaceTime, you see me? To see them made it in the dark for true. Understand me? Anyhow, the morning, thank God me left this morning. Minutes after around say 8-9 o'clock, a doctor come in there. It was an Indian doctor. He came in there. When he came there, he said to me that, I turned to him, I said, doctor, what is the name of the pill that they gave to me? Because I'm in so much pain and the bleeding is coming excessively. The bleeding is coming so much excessively. Anyhow, he gave me 2 pills. He gave me 2 pills to take. And he never said much, him leave the room. After he left the room, a doctor gave me pill. Doctor give me the pill. No nurse. After he leave the room, say come back. He come back a couple minutes after hour or so. Because I get discharged minutes after 12 o'clock. It's on my discharge paper. It is on my discharge paper. When I'm come, him say I must get ready because I get discharged. I turn to him, I say, in all this pain, I get discharged in all this pain, and I'm bleeding so much. He must say nothing to me, him walk away. I get up, get myself ready. I turn to the nurse. There was a nurse now I saw, and I called her. When I call her, the door open now, the room door open. So I called the nurse and asked her if she could give me like some pad. Some pad, because right now, I don't have the pad for me because I never expect this type of bleeding. Understand me? And she gave me 2 pad. So she gave me 4 pad and 2 stacking white panty. I left and I go long straight after long there waiting and my ride to come. I couldn't take a bus. I couldn't take a taxi. If they could run the camera on the 1st of December in the Presbyterian Hospital that day, they would see how much time I have to leave and go to the bathroom. They would see my movement right there, how much time I have to get up to go to the bathroom. Anyhow, I got home. I tell her, say, I was in pain, agony, pain, bleeding excessively. I mean, after a day, man, clots. I was just passing out all those stuff, bleeding. Remarking on my discharge paper report. The front of it state, no follow-up. They go as far and circle it. No follow-up. And the back of it, one of the cause, the statement was, if I feel that I'm pregnant. You understand me? Anyhow, the warm all week, I tell her, say, I don't know me no bleed to that, man. I say, me bleed, bleed. So till I can't even move. And the night now, I said I couldn't take this no more. I was to go into another ER room. Mark, and the release form they gave me, they told me that I don't have no follow-up. So I was to go to another ER room. When I got to that ER room, my vital was taken. The doctor, and I got proof of that. She tell me that my blood count is 6 point. I'm walking around with half the amount of blood of a human being. She turned to me and she said to me that she ordered 2 blood transfusion, which I did not get that night. I was sent home with prescription for with prescription for me to take to stop the bleeding. You understand me? They said I should take that prescription to stop the bleeding. Anyhow, getting that prescription, I was also told whenever time the bleeding stop. They never tell me say if it not stop me if come back. Them say when it stop me if come back. Me I follow them protocol. Me I follow what them say to me. Them say when it stop, I must come back to undergo a surgery. The surgery that I'm going to undergo is she have 3 options to do. Remove the uterus, or to scrape something under the salt, she tell me, and something else. When I came back, they will decide. Understand me? Remember me said? She said when the bleeding stop, I should come back. It did not stop. So that is was my Mamad's hospital. That is when I go to the Kings County Hospital on the 21st. You understand me? On the 21st. Say actually 11 days after I leave that hospital. I couldn't even hold up my head. My heart was like skipping beat. So I was to go to an ER, another ER. You understand me? Because right now I help me want to stop, me want to get better, me want to feel better. So if them are going to tell me say when the bleeding stop, me must come back, what me must do? Huh? I'm just simply was following their protocol and what they said I should do. When I got to the Kings County General Hospital, I don't know for general, but I know say Kings County Hospital in Brooklyn, I was, listen, I do a ultrasound, I do a biopsy, a needle was in my hand to stop the bleeding. I get 3 blood transfusion. I get 1 first and was on my way out. I was discharged where a doctor stopped the nurse and said, no, this woman can't go home. She need more blood. The doctor ordered the nurse to tell the doctor them who are deal with me say, this woman need more blood. Understand me? That's how I end up with the 3 unit of blood in that facility. Mark you now. They told me that my heart wasn't beating good because of the blood loss. Understand me? I do 4 EKG. 4 of them. A heart machine was string upon me in the Kings County Hospital. And people from that doctor on the 22nd, I reached there on the 21st that night. From that doctor who required them to give me more blood saw me minutes after 12 o'clock on the 22nd of December of last year. After all them tests that I go through, all them tests that I take, you understand me? That was the last doctor I saw who was running the emergency ward at that time. No doctor come at my rescue, no doctor at my bed, nobody no check me, nobody no look for me. I see doctor come on the ward, they go on my side and the 2 side of me and stuff. No doctor no stop on my bed. Listen now, after getting the last unit of blood, I have a reaction. I mean, my face was swollen, rash. My whole body was like a nervous system. I call out for the nurse. When the nurse come, the nurses are calling doctors. No doctors to my rescue. None. And I have proof to show that I'm not lying. At one point, one of the nurses who was taking care of me, he looked at me, called me by my name. He said, "Can you walk?" I told him yes. He said, "Let us show you that we are calling the doctors and they're not coming. The one that was assigned to you said he no longer assigned to you. And these are the two that we call. They say that they're not assigned to you. They don't know what is going on." Anyhow, I was there laying down people. My God, I'm gonna do to me within myself a prayer and I call upon God. Only my Lord me know right there and then can save me from me that go through after getting those transfusion. Anyhow, I there lying down, say, minutes after that month, that happened now, would happen. The blood transfusion finished after 3 a.m. on the 23rd of December. Minutes after 5 o'clock, a medicine doctor came at my bedside, a Chinese looking lady. She came at my bedside and she looked at me. You understand me? Me I tell her how me feel. She just look at me and she walk away. She around less than like half an hour or so, or an hour. One of the nurses who was attending to me, she came to me. Oh my God, sweet little soul. She came to me and she said, she called me by my name and she said, "You know that we get some antibiotic to give to you, but I don't know what the doctors order us not to give you the antibiotic." Father God, he says, "Okay." I turned to her and I tell her, I said, "God will give me free antibiotic, you know." I remember telling her that. Yeah. But there lie down, no doctor. No doctor at all. Minutes after 9 o'clock, one of them just come. That was a female doctor. She just come on the ward and she look at me. She said she's not my doctor. She just come to look at me. And she look at me and she walk away. That was the 23rd now. No doctor to come look at me. None whatsoever. Me in there, me see doctor come on the two side. Me did a lie down, no doctor people. Not gonna look for me. Anyhow, while I was there, we decided to me I'm gonna leave now because if me dep on the hospital and no doctor no want to come look for me. Look for me. You better me go somewhere else and me go home go dead. And that me said to myself. So I got up minutes after 3 o'clock. I was leaving the ward. When I was leaving the ward, I see big like an elderly gynecologist because he was in white. And a young one was in blue. And it was just, while I was walking, they was calling out my name, calling, "Where you going? Where you going? Come back on the wall, come back on the wall, come back on the wall." So I stopped. So I said to them, so "Listen, if I'm on the wall and nobody isn't attending to me, what must I do? What leave?" They beg me, "No, come. The doctor said, "I'm going to make someone come and look at you." That is a gynecologist. When I got back there, the hospital, I go back there, I change her back, lie in the bed. There was there like a conversation with doctors and the next corner of the observation where I was. They said they're gonna make somebody come look at me. Remarking at them, say they're gonna make somebody come look at me. Nobody don't come look at me. I don't want to say, but somebody gave me the complainant number and told me that whenever time I leave, I should call the hospital complainant. That is the number. Anyway, I did here all the 23rd and minutes after 9 o'clock, a gynecologist, one of the first one who saw me at that hospital, she came to me and she told me that based on their examination, everything is okay with me. So they turned me over to other doctors. It's out of their hand, which is the gynecologist tell me that. You understand me? People listen. You're listening now. After that, she leave. That was the 23rd. No doctor no come to me. Whole night me dead there. No my heart machine, no doctor no come to me. So me say, you know what? I get up in the morning, say, you know, every time I leave and go somewhere else, cause me dey pan here, and I feel good, so but it better me leave. You understand me? I better me just go home to go there. That me say to myself, every time I leave, cause me dey pan the hospital and nobody now attend to me. What must do? What must I do? Huh? So I get up now. Once I was leaving, I go to the supervisor. She was right in front of me. When I asked, can I speak to the supervisor? And nurse answer, we don't have no supervisor here at night. So me say, what? And the supervisor don't work at the hospital at night? Them say, no, and she don't know. So one of the nurse don't tell me, say she's a supervisor already. You understand me? Anyway, I go there. I said, listen to me now. I'm going to leave the hospital, but I need my medical reports. And just as I'm about to walk away, I hear the lady, the Trinidadian voice, said, if you want to leave, you leave. I turned around and I said, listen to me now. I am not going to leave this hospital without getting all what was done to me in this hospital, which was an ultrasound, a biopsy, 3 units of blood in 2 different separate occasions, a needle in my hand,